Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix Siri not working after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. Siri is not working issue on iPhone. First solution, you have reset network setting. If your device is not connected to the internet such as Wi-Fi or cellular data, Siri may not work well and may tell you that she is having trouble connecting to the network. Please try again later. Check your internet connection and go to the settings. So you have then you have scroll up, then you have click on general, and then you have click on uh, transfer or reset setting. So then you have click on reset network setting, then you have try enter a passcode, then you have uh, only reset network setting on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have force restart your iPhone. This might be a easiest way to fix most common problem related to iOS devices, and the method is also simple, yet it is not 100% working. So then third solution, you have a restart iPhone dictation. So you have sometimes Siri cannot uh, hear your voice because the dictation functions on your iPhone is not working. You can try to restart iPhone dictation to make Siri work normally. Go to the setting and then you have click on general. So then you have click on general and then you have click on keyboard. So then you have find the enable dictation. So then you have find the uh, enable dictation. So then you have this options. So you have dictations, enable, toggle it on or toggle it off, and then turn it on again. So then you have two times you have turn on and off, then it will again the turn on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have update iOS version. If your high Siri not working on iPhone, if you can update your iOS the latest available version, and this may solve some unknown Siri issues. You can go to the setting and then you have again click on general, click on uh, software update. So then tap the install now button. It there is an update available on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have restore iPhone to factory setting. So then this might the last resort to fix Siri not working on iPhone or other models. So then you have trying to restore your device to the factory setting will remove all the setting uh, you have made. Thus it will also solve the deep system issues that may cause Siri to modifications. Just go to the setting again and then you have click on general again. So then scroll up, then you have click on reset transfer, then you have tap the erase all content, and then you have button to do the factory reset. So then you have continue. Erase will remove your personal data you have copy on your USB. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.